Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled The Transformer Architecture. Unpacking the brains behind modern AI. Ever wonder how ChatGPT seems to understand you so well? Or how Google Translate works its magic? The secret sauce behind many of today's most powerful AI systems is a revolutionary concept called the Transformer Architecture. Think of it as the incredibly clever brain that allows AI to process and generate human-like text, understand complex ideas, and even create art. This lesson will unpack how it works, piece by piece, assuming you know absolutely nothing about AI yet. Before Transformers, AI models often processed sentences word by word, just like you read a book. While okay for short sentences, this had a big problem. The cat, which had eaten the mouse, was full. By the time the AI got to full, it might have forgotten that it was the asterisk cat, and not the mouse, that was full, especially in longer, more complex sentences. It was like trying to remember the beginning of a very long phone number while still hearing new digits, easy to lose context. In 2017, a paper titled "Attention is All You Need" introduced the Transformer. Instead of processing word by word, imagine if the AI could look at asterisk all the words in a sentence at once, instantly seeing the big picture. It's like instead of reading a book page by page and trying to remember everything, you quickly scan the whole chapter, highlighting the most important sentences and keywords. This attention mechanism is the core innovation. The Transformer uses something called self-attention. For every single word in a sentence, it asks, how important are all the asterisk other words in this same sentence to my meaning? For example, in "The animal didn't cross the street because it was too wide," the word "it" refers to the street. Self-attention helps the AI figure this out by letting it pay more attention to street than to animal. It's like each word gets to ask its neighbors for context, weighing who's most relevant. To get an even richer understanding, Transformers don't just use one attention mechanism. They use several simultaneously. This is called multi-head attention. Think of it like having multiple teams of detectives working on the same case. One team might focus on motives, another on alibis, and another on physical evidence. Each head of attention looks for a different kind of relationship or meaning between words, providing a more comprehensive understanding of the sentence's nuances. If the Transformer looks at all words at once, not sequentially, how does it know the word order? Dog bites man is very different from man bites dog. This is where positional encoding comes in. We essentially add a little tag or address to each word telling the Transformer its position in the sentence. So, even though it processes all words in parallel, it still knows dog came first, bites second, and man third, preserving grammatical meaning. Transformers typically have two main parts, an encoder and a decoder. Imagine you're translating a sentence. The encoder part takes the input sentence, e.g., English, and fully understands its meaning using all the attention mechanisms we discussed. Then, the decoder takes this rich understanding and generates the output sentence, e.g., Spanish, word by word, constantly checking back with the encoder's understanding. It's like a translator first deeply comprehending the entire original speech, encoder, and then elegantly delivering the translation, decoder. By solving the long-range dependency problem with attention and enabling parallel processing, Transformers unleashed a wave of innovation. They are the backbone of large language models. LLMs, like ChatGPT, enable highly accurate machine translation, powered text summarization tools, and even influence creative AI for images and code. For developers, understanding transformers opens up a world of possibilities for building next-generation AI applications. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.